Everyone, welcome back. If you follow the channel, you know that I've covered Baseus a few times. I think they make great accessories for very affordable prices, and you can easily order them from AliExpress and even sometimes Amazon. Some of the great products that I've tested personally is their 65-watt car charger, the 20-watt iPhone PD charger, and these earphones, which are really great as well. But today I'm gonna share with you the Baseus Simple Mini 2 magnetic wireless charger. Basically, this is a MagSafe third-party accessory for your iPhone 12 and iPhone 13. And not only that, it also have a wattage display to let you know how fast charging is going. So I've been testing this for a while, and I wanted to give you a demo of the. So here's my iPhone 12. If we plug in or actually attach the charger to the back, you can see that the iPhone recognizes it as a MagSafe charger, and charging has started. And if we look at the display here, you can see that it's actually giving you alternating between voltage and watts. And let's see, I don't know if you see it in the camera, but actually it has reached 10 watts of charging. I haven't tested Apple's original cable, but I heard that it's slower than that, and it's of course much more expensive than this Baseus cable. So when it comes to being a MagSafe fast charger, I think it has passed the test. Let's give you a demo one more time. So you just remove it like this, and then we put it again. Here you go. Testing it from 20% for half an hour, and that reached 47%. So not as fast as a iPhone cable, but it's still faster than most wireless chargers. Let me know what you think about this accessory in the comments. If you like it, you don't like it, if you already ordered it, if you're planning to order it, if you have used other accessories from other brands, if you want me to cover other brands, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in another video. Take care.